We independently research, test, review, and recommend the best products. Learn more about our process. So, let's begin. Number 1, most popular. Kidde smoke detector with long-life lithium battery. It is a fraction of the cost of many other alarms, but still offers 10 years of reliable performance. Powered by a 10-year lithium battery, this alarm brings all of the convenience of easy installation without adding the requirement to change the batteries every 6 months. You also don't need to deal with low battery chirps. Depending on how well you monitor this, it may catch you off guard. Also, keep in mind that it does not detect carbon monoxide, but for the budget-friendly price. Number 2. Combination smoke and CO alarm, voice alert. This top-performing smoke detector includes a carbon monoxide alarm. It alerts you to the threat using a voice alert so that you can respond appropriately and notify emergency responders about the problem. This is a battery-operated unit, which has pros and cons. It is easy to install. If you are replacing another Kidde alarm, you might even be able to use the same base and simply click the new unit on. However, as with all battery-powered units, it does mean that the batteries need to be changed every 6 months. Number 3. Kidde Code 1 Smoke Detector. All you need to operate this convenient smoke detector is one 9V battery. Rather than worrying about multiple batteries, just open the door to pop in one battery and attach it to the wall. Installation is very easy, especially if you are replacing another Kidde unit, and it comes with one 9V battery to get you started. There is a corresponding CO detector that uses a similar setup and also uses a 9V battery for power. Fortunately, this unit is so affordable that you can purchase both this detector and the Kidde Code 1 CO detector for less than a pricier combo unit. Number 4. Google Nest Protect 2nd Generation. This smart alarm detects both smoke and carbon monoxide for thorough home protection. You can check on the status of the alarm and the battery life, silence false alarms, and even test the alarm from an app on your phone. It does tell you whether it detects smoke or carbon monoxide, which is helpful to determine the right response. The Google Nest Protect is an expensive alarm, which isn't surprising given its interconnectivity and extra convenience features. You can purchase it in packs of 1 or 3, and it is available in battery-powered and hardwired options. Number 5. First Alert BRK3120B Hardwired Photoelectric. Smoke alarms use either photoelectric sensors to detect fast-burning fires or ionization sensors to detect smoldering fires. It is hardwired but has a 9V battery backup to provide power if there is an outage. Unless you are already using a hardwired smoke detector in your home, you will likely need to get professional installation for this unit. This detector is a bit more expensive than other smoke-only detectors. But given its reliable detection of every type of fire that could threaten you or your home, it is well worth the cost. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share.